Here we have a Parrot Mambo mini drone. So as we open it, the instructions are here. After thoroughly reading the instructions, you simply grab the drone, grab the battery, put it together. Alright, it should be on, and it works by Bluetooth, so it is connecting via Bluetooth. Okay, and these are just some added features that we have inside of the box. Cable to charge it. We're at 80% battery right now. This as well with these. Okay, there's the drone ready for takeoff. And we're going. Here we have our pilot, Horatio, navigating the drone. And there it is, a very simple maneuvering of the drone.